Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by securing legal footing and usable audio. You must own the recording or obtain consent. Once that's done, capture a high-quality sample of 15 to 30 seconds at 44. 1 kHz with minimal background noise. Make sure to install an offline editor and a separate TTS or vocoder so you can alter timbre without relying on proprietary voice clones. Once ready, import the sample and normalize levels. This prevents artifacts later and sets a clean baseline for transformation. Now you modify the voice creatively but consistently. First, shift pitch 2 to 5 semitones and change formants separately so pitch and perceived vocal size differ. This avoids simple pitch-only detection. Then reshape prosody. Alter timing, add micropauses, vary stress patterns, and tweak energy envelopes so cadence is distinct. Use spectral morphing or a neural vocoder offline to resynthesize the voice. Render multiple variations in a batch so you can A/B test which version is both natural and sufficiently transformed. Finish by validating and packaging your output. Run automated similarity tools and two-person blind listening tests to confirm the voice is distinct. Make sure you document permissions and export lossless files, add light denoising, and embed ownership metadata. If you encounter robotic artifacts or metallic timbre, simplify the processing chain, remove one effect, lower pitch/formant shifts, and resynthesize at higher bit depth. If problems persist, record a new sample with cleaner capture, and repeat the controlled transforms until the result is natural and legally defensible.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.